The purpose of this video is to increase your understanding of the magic you feel in your soul when listening to heilung, Danheim, Galder, or the chant of a shaman. Artists, activities, and practitioners, which all rely upon and work intimately with the sacred power of sound. The most immediate and obvious use of the power of sound is language. The language was and is used by different communities to connect their inner feelings with not only each other, but also with animals, trees, the natural environment in general, and the realm of spirit. But critically, sound was also found to have the ability to change the state of one's mind to one of comfort, healing, action, and so forth. And for the shaman, it would even enable him or her to change their state of mind to one which allowed for the traveling between the worlds of spirit. In short, strong knowledge and insight in the power of sound have always and will always provide one with great power to bring change to the way we connect, live, and experience our existence. One of the great abilities of shamans is being able to use sound to create a sacred and imaginary environment which allows them to conduct shaman journeying and encounter the different types of spirits, such as animal spirits, fairies, elves, ancestors, gods, and so forth. This was done by conducting a shamanic ritual where sound is passed from the outer world, which is the world we refer to as the physical world, and the inner world, which is the non-physical world, the realm of spirit. Besides sound, the ritual could employ the use of many other different types of actions to strengthen the potency of the ritual, such as dancing, gestures, and so forth. But the most important actions are those which makes use of the power of sound. These sound-producing activities are typically different kind of chants, such as throat singing, joik, galder, or by the use of different types of instruments, such as drums, jaw harps, bells, flutes, stringed instruments, or even simply by clashing certain objects together, such as bones and rocks. The different sound-creating actions would produce the sound of a certain symbolic and magical language known by the shaman and others who had been trained in it. And it is this sacred language which allows the shaman to conduct different types of magic, such as changing the state of mind of all types of spirits, healing, cleansing, traveling between the physical and non-physical worlds, and conduct magic. Using the knowledge and ability to produce the sound of the sacred language, the shamans create and play certain power songs, which promotes the specific and desired effect. Do yourself a favor and try to say the name of a rune out loud, such as Urus or Fehu. Just by the simple act, you can almost taste the magic on the tip of your tongue and lips. The sound of the runes is that powerful. So why is the music of heilung special? Why do you feel their music touches you on a level you find hard to understand?
It's almost like you can taste the words.
Kai, the group's shaman, is responsible for the construction of each song. He constructs each song using his vast knowledge and experience with the power of sound.
We also use rhythms that are known to alter the state of mind.
Each song is a power song, consisting of different sacred and magical notes, runes, instrument sounds, and so forth. This is why heilung is so adamant about their concerts, not being actual concerts, but sacred rituals where they play different shamanic power songs, which each has a very specific purpose, which in the case of heilung is, you guessed it, healing.
Remember that we all are brothers. Remember we all are brothers. All people. And beasts and trees. And beasts and trees. And stone and wind. And stone and wind.
So do yourself a favor and explore the rituals and power songs from great artists such as Heilung, Danheim, Munkner, and Vardruna. Find their specific use case, then play them when the specific need arises, such as in times of sorrow or in times of need of power. But maybe also consider to start your own journey and explore the power of sound. Begin to say out loud the names of the magical runes, the names of certain gods and spirits to invoke their support for certain and relevant situations. Maybe find or acquire your own sacred instrument, and then start your journey to find and create your own shamanic power song. The opportunities are endless, but all of them employs the power of sound. And we promise they will all have a dramatic positive impact on your well-being and life. We hope you liked this episode, and if you did, please consider subscribing and enable notifications, as it helps out the channel a lot. Vi ses næste gang. Hej hej!